Yo guys, in today's video I will show you how to create glowing text effect in Premiere Pro. Start by adding text to your timeline. Resize and reposition it using the selection tool. Duplicate the text layer by holding Alt and dragging it up to new track. Go to the effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Apply it to the bottom text layer. With the bottom text layer selected, go to Effect Controls and increase the brightness value slightly. This creates glowing effect, as bottom layer new has the blur applied. To animate glow, select the bottom layer, set keyframes for the blurriness at the beginning, move forward bit, click the rest button to remove the glow or adjust it to your liking. Copy the keyframes by pressing Ctrl C, move forward bit and paste them by pressing Ctrl V. Repeat this process to create pulsing glow effect. You can continue moving forward and pasting keyframes as desired, adjusting glowing intensity over time. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.